Running the events you got going on, celebrating all your victories.
Hello, so welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. If you are not new to this, welcome back to another video. So if you're not new to this, you would have heard me talking about the Yaky straight texture hair. I tried it out with crochet hair and I was like, you know what, if I ever get a bundle or if I ever get a wig, I would want a Yaky straight texture, because that is just the perfect texture for Black women if you like to wear your natural hair straight, not blown out, but like a silk press. If you're a silk press girly, that is the texture that you want for your extensions, for your wigs, to give you the most natural look ever. So when Klaiyi, I really don't know how to pronounce this here, I'm sorry, but when they reached out to me and a Yaky straight texture was an option, you know I had to jump on it, because I was like, yes, please give me my perfect everyday wig when I want, you know, a bust down. A bust down, okay? You know, I already got my little short, very cute, very mom bob length. I needed this. They heard and they delivered, and this looks so good. So this is a V-part wig, the Yaky straight texture. You know, I am all for a natural hairline, a natural look. So flip overs have been my thing for that. But you know, sometimes the girl just want a part. You want it to look natural. You want it to look like it's your hair, and this is what it's giving. So I'm really excited. I can't wait to like curl this, to style it, to give it like a bombshell look. This is perfection. Baby, nah, I'm a Yaky straight girl for life now, for life. If you see me with them other textures, it's strictly business. It's purely business, except for the curly. The curly, you know, I love me a curly hair down. The curly, that's all love. But without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the hair details, as if I already didn't give y'all everything already. This install is super sweet, super simple. It's a V-part. Literally anybody can do this. So let's just get into it. Before we start, I have to give a super huge thank you to Klaiyi for sponsoring today's video. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I'm loving the bags that these new units are starting to come in. And as always, you do get some goodies in your bag. So again, this is a V-part wig, and this is a 24-inch Yaky straight wig. Right here, I was showing you that this is a true V-part wig. This is the texture. So as you can see, this is like a blown out, straight in African American or Afro textured hair. I absolutely love the texture. So right here, I'm just gonna remove the little slit that holds your V-part together, but let's really get into this V-part. So right here, you can clearly see the V outline, but let's pay attention to the INVISIBLEND V-part of it all. So right here, you're gonna have a very natural hairline versus the traditional weft that you will see on U-part or V-part wigs, or even when you do sew-ins. Now you have this so natural INVISIBLEND part where the part is, so your blend is going to be even more natural, and this is a game changer, especially if you have fine hair. Now let's get into the actual construction of this. So along the part, you actually have two different kinds of install. You have these traditional clips, and then you have the slide in comb towards the front. This is meant to have a more flat install for a natural blend. On the sides, you also do have two more additional sliding combs for extra security. And right here, I wanted to show you how the side part also have kind of that invisible blend technique to also help you with blending your hair for a natural install. Going down the construction of this, you will see that it also comes with a band. I'm telling you, security on security. You can definitely make sure that you install this very secure. So it does come with an adjustable band. Also, along the outer rim of the wig, it does have a gel-like texture that is meant to hold your wig in place around the back so it's not sliding around. And then, of course, it also comes with another slide and comb at the back as well
for you to slide it in there. I'm telling you, you can make sure your unit is very secure. It also comes with a drawstring in the back for added security. Starting out, this is my hair. So I did an anchor braid around my part where I'm going to install all the combs. And then for the rest, I just loosely braided the rest of my hair and put it up in a bun. So again, this is the hair. I got 24 inches because I wanted some inches. And then again, the install for V-part wigs, if you are new to this, it is so simple. Whether it's with the combs or the clips, you will just install it into your anchor braid, clip it in, make sure it's secure. For the side of the hair, it's going to be the same thing. I just make sure I pull or push my hair underneath the unit and secure the side combs in a way that is very comfortable, that is not going to pull at my hair or break my hair in any way. So when you are installing this, even though it's very quick and it's very easy, just be mindful of your hair underneath it, because wrong pull, if your combs aren't attached right, can cause some damage. And over here, we definitely care about our healthy hair underneath it all at the end of the day. So again, you will just go around, make sure all of your clips, combs, bands, drawstrings, everything that this wig comes with is secure, you feel good, and you got the install that you like. After that, it's just a matter of blending everything in to your liking and styling your hair. Now for me, I did minimal leave out around my ends, so I'm just gonna lightly press out mainly my roots because I kind of sweated out my hair a little bit. The rest of my hair is pretty much straightened, so I might just lightly go over the flat iron, but nothing too crazy. Yeah, so for this, you can obviously style your hair however you want. After I blend my leave out, I kind of just went over real lightly with the flat iron to get out any crinkles that was in there. I decided to just wear the hair straight for this initial install. I feel like anytime I get straight hair, I'm always curling it. So for this install, I decided to just leave it straight. But right here, I wanted to show you with their INVISIBLEND technology how you cannot see a track, a weft, anything. It looks like the hair was growing out of my scalp. And that's what you want any install to look like. So again, this hair was very soft to the touch. The strands are very thick. They're healthy. They're luscious. I love the feel, the actual feel of this hair. When I first received it, it's no smell straight out of the box. It really just had like a traditional hair, like a beauty supply hair smell. Like it was clean. It wasn't dirty. It didn't have any like weird scent or anything like that. I installed this straight out of the box. I didn't wash it or anything. The cap has really great construction. There's like a few minor things I would change on this, but overall, very secure cap. Love all the bells and whistles that it came with. I would say just make sure you measure for the best fit for your head. But yeah, just looking at this hair, look how my natural hair blends with it. If anything, I could have put a little bit of serum on my hair to blend it even better, but no, overall, this hair was just absolutely gorgeous. I loved it. This is the perfect addition to my extension collection, mainly for this texture. Absolutely obsessed with this. So again, make sure you check out the description box for all the details and any coupon codes I have for this hair. But yeah, 8 down. So let's go ahead and get into my final thoughts and the little minor things I would have changed to make this install even better.
All right, you guys, so that was the install. This is the final look of it. I was so impressed when I first took this hair out of the box and I was feeling it. I was like, they don't even know what they did. Like, this is yeah, I was so surprised. I was in love. I was like, yes. I was like, thank you so much. Thank you so much. This unit is everything. A little tweak to make it perfection, but the foundation of it, the quality of it, the hair of it all, is everything. I don't mind the little customizations I'm gonna do in the future. It's not that big of a deal. This looks so good. I'm just gonna keep running my hands through my hair because it looks really good. It feels good. Y'all did that. Y'all did that. Alrighty, okay, so make sure you check the description box for all the hair details and links down below. Don't walk run and get this, because you're gonna want this, you're gonna need this. Baby, when I sew this down and I leave enough hair out and I customize this, this is my hair. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Bye.